Brainy Bites, a daily dose for self-improvement.
Have you ever found yourself in a situation where you wanted to attract someone's attention, but words just failed you? Have you ever wondered how to make a lasting impression without uttering a single word? Have you ever wished you could convey your interest and affection without having to say anything? If you answered yes to any of these questions, then this video is for you. In this video, we will explore the art of attracting someone without saying anything. You'll learn how to make a powerful impression using nonverbal cues like eye contact, smiling, good posture, subtle touch, and body language. So sit back, relax, and let's discover how to attract someone without saying anything. Attracting someone without speaking a word may seem like a daunting task, but it is possible to convey interest and attract someone through nonverbal cues and body language. Our body language and actions can communicate a lot about our thoughts, emotions, and intentions to others, and with the right approach, you can effectively attract someone without ever having to say a word. From making eye contact and smiling to having good posture and using subtle touch, there are various ways to communicate your interest and make a positive impression without relying solely on words. Attracting someone without speaking a word involves using nonverbal cues and body language to convey interest and positive impression. Here are the tips to help you attract someone without saying anything. Tip number 1. Make eye contact. Eye contact is a powerful way to show someone that you're interested in them. When you make eye contact with someone, it sends a message that you are paying attention to them and are confident. Tip number 2. Smile. A genuine smile can make a huge difference in how you come across to others. A warm and inviting smile can show that you are approachable and friendly. Tip number 3. Good posture. Good posture can convey confidence and show that you are comfortable in your own skin. Stand or sit up straight and avoid slouching to give off a positive impression. Tip number 4. Use subtle touch. A gentle touch on the arm or shoulder can communicate a lot about your feelings towards someone. Be careful not to touch someone too often or too aggressively, as it may come off as creepy. Tip number 5. Pay attention to your body language. Your body language, including your gestures and facial expressions, can communicate a lot about your thoughts and feelings. Be aware of how you are carrying yourself and make sure your body language is open and inviting. By following these steps, you can effectively attract someone without saying anything and make a positive impression through your nonverbal cues and body language. Let's talk about the tips in more details. But before we proceed, kindly like, share and subscribe this channel. Are you ready? Let's get started. Tip number 1. Make eye contact. Making eye contact is a crucial step in attracting someone without speaking a word. Eye contact is a powerful tool that can communicate your interest and confidence in a subtle and effective way. Here's how to make eye contact in a way that will help you attract someone. First of all, be present. To make eye contact effectively, you need to be fully present and focused on the person you are trying to attract. Avoid distractions and give the person your full attention. Secondly, start with brief glances. If you're feeling nervous, start by making brief eye contact for a split second and then looking away. Gradually increase the length of time you hold eye contact as you become more comfortable. Thirdly, make natural eye contact. Avoid staring or making intense eye contact, as this can come off as aggressive or intimidating. Instead, aim to make natural, comfortable eye contact that feels natural and relaxed. Fourthly, smile. When you make eye contact with someone, try to accompany it with a warm, genuine smile. This will show that you are friendly and approachable. Finally, maintain eye contact. When you're having a conversation with someone, maintain eye contact to show that you are engaged and interested in what they have to say. By making eye contact in a confident, friendly, and natural way, you can effectively attract someone without saying anything and convey your interest and attention. Is this clear to you? That leads us to the next aspect of this discussion, which is tip number 2. Smile. A genuine smile can make a huge difference in how you come across to others. A warm and inviting smile can show that you are approachable and friendly. Smiling is a simple yet powerful tool for attracting someone without speaking a word. A genuine smile can communicate your friendliness, approachability, and positive attitude, making you more attractive to others. Here's how to use your smile to attract someone. First of all, practice smiling regularly. Smiling is a muscle, and like any other muscle, it needs to be exercised regularly to become stronger. Practice smiling in front of a mirror or with friends to get comfortable with it. Moreover, make it genuine. A fake smile will be easy to spot, so make sure that your smile is genuine and authentic. Think of something that makes you happy, and let that happiness show on your face. Additionally, smile at the right times. Smile when you are greeting someone, when you are listening to them, and when you are parting ways. Smiling at the right times will show that you are friendly and approachable. Besides that, accompany your smile with eye contact. When you smile, make sure to accompany it with eye contact. This will show that you are fully present and engaged in the interaction. Finally, smile even when you're not feeling it. Sometimes, you may not feel like smiling, but forcing a smile can have a positive impact on your mood and make you more attractive to others. By incorporating a warm, genuine smile into your interactions with others, you can attract someone without saying anything and convey your friendliness and approachability. Is this making sense? That brings us to our next point, which is tip number 3. Good posture. Good posture can convey confidence and show that you are comfortable in your own skin. Stand or sit up straight and avoid slouching to give off a positive impression. Good posture is a critical component of nonverbal communication and can greatly impact how you are perceived by others. By standing or sitting up straight, you can convey confidence, show that you are comfortable in your own skin, and give off a positive impression. Here's how to improve your posture. First of all, stand or sit up straight. Keep your back straight and your shoulders back when standing, and sit up straight with both feet flat on the ground when sitting. This will improve your posture and convey confidence. Secondly, avoid slouching. Slouching can make you appear uninterested, unconfident, or even bored. Avoid slouching and maintain good posture throughout the day. Thirdly, engage your core. Engaging your core muscles will help you maintain good posture and avoid slouching. Focus on keeping your abdominal muscles tight and your spine straight. Fourthly, be aware of your posture. Pay attention to your posture throughout the day and make adjustments as needed. Keep in mind that good posture takes time and effort to maintain. At last, practice good posture regularly. Good posture is a habit, and like any habit, it takes time and effort to develop. Practice good posture regularly and make it a habit in your daily life. By maintaining good posture, you can attract someone without saying anything and convey confidence and comfort in your own skin. Good posture also has numerous health benefits, so it's a win-win situation. Does this all make sense so far? Let's move on to tip number 4. Use subtle touch. A gentle touch on the arm or shoulder can communicate a lot about your feelings towards someone. Be careful not to touch someone too often or too aggressively, as it may come off as creepy. Using subtle touch can be a powerful tool for attracting someone without speaking a word. A gentle touch on the arm or shoulder can convey your interest and affection towards someone, but it's important to use it appropriately. Here's how to use subtle touch effectively. First of all, be mindful of personal space. Before touching someone, be aware of their personal space and respect their boundaries. Wait for an appropriate moment and make sure that the touch is appropriate for the situation. Moreover, choose the right moment. Touch can be more effective if used at the right moment, such as when making a point or showing support. Use your judgment and be mindful of the person's body language. Besides that, use a gentle touch. Use a light and gentle touch, such as a tap on the arm or a squeeze on the shoulder, to communicate your feelings towards someone. Avoid using touch too frequently or too aggressively, as this can come off as creepy. Additionally, make eye contact. When you use touch, make sure to accompany it with eye contact. This will reinforce the message you are trying to communicate and show that you are present and engaged in the interaction. Finally, read their reaction. Pay attention to the person's reaction to your touch. If they seem uncomfortable, it's best to back off and respect their personal space. By using subtle touch in a mindful and appropriate way, you can attract someone without saying anything and communicate your interest and affection towards them. However, it's important to be respectful of personal space and boundaries, and to always read the person's reaction before proceeding. Am I getting my point across? To round out our discussion, let's also touch on tip number 5. Pay attention to your body language. Your body language, including your gestures and facial expressions, can communicate a lot about your thoughts and feelings. Be aware of how you are carrying yourself and make sure your body language is open and inviting. Your body language can play a significant role in attracting someone without saying anything. It can communicate your thoughts and feelings, convey your confidence and interest, and shape the way you are perceived by others. Here's how to pay attention to your body language. First of all, be aware of your gestures, such as the way you move your hands or nod your head, can communicate a lot about your thoughts and feelings. Be aware of your gestures and make sure they are open and inviting. Besides that, use open body language. Use open body language by facing the person you are talking to, keeping your arms uncrossed, and avoiding closed or defensive gestures. This will show that you are approachable and interested in the interaction. Moreover, smile. A genuine smile can make a huge difference in how you come across to others. A warm and inviting smile can show that you are approachable and friendly. Additionally, make eye contact. Making eye contact is a powerful way to show someone that you are interested in them and paying attention to them. Last but not least, pay attention to your facial expressions. Your facial expressions, such as your eyebrows, can convey a range of emotions and thoughts. Be aware of your facial expressions and make sure they match your words and tone of voice. By paying attention to your body language, you can attract someone without saying anything and convey your interest, confidence, and approachability. Keep in mind that body language is a complex form of nonverbal communication, and it's important to be mindful of the way you are carrying yourself in any given situation. In summary, attracting someone without saying anything is a valuable skill to have. By making eye contact, smiling, having good posture, using subtle touch, and paying attention to your body language, you can communicate your interest and affection towards someone without saying a word. It's important to be mindful of personal space and boundaries, and to always be respectful of the person's reaction to your actions. By using these techniques, you can make a powerful impression and attract someone without saying anything. Remember, attraction is about creating a connection and making the other person feel comfortable, and nonverbal cues can play a key role in this process. If you find this video meaningful, kindly share, like, comment and subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.